Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about business cards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make your own business cards for free using your Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to make your own business cards? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes when you order business cards, they look kind of cheesy. So maybe you want to go ahead and make your own business cards so that way you can make it exactly the style that you want. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to make your own business cards for free, here on the homepage, you want to click on the search bar and just type in business cards. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see the section here called Canva templates, and then click on see all. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show all the business card templates that you can choose if you want to make your own cards. You can see there's actually a huge amount of them. Now, most of these are free, but some of them do have a cost associated if you see a crown next to it, or if you see a dollar sign. But if you want to go ahead and filter out by the free options, click on all filtered. And then here on the left, you're going to see this pop up, and just scroll down until you see this button here, free. And then you want to click on apply. And now it's going to filter out by all of the free business card templates. Okay, so here we are. So now what you want to do is kind of scroll through until you see one that kind of matches up with your brand or your idea of a business card. So you can see some of these are really quite creative. Okay, so this one looks pretty cool right here. So let me go ahead and click on it. Okay, so the nice thing about Canva, if you want to go ahead and create your own business card and you choose one of these templates, they're going to pull other templates that are similar. So sometimes you could find an even better one if you just scroll down. So right here, more like this. So let's see here. In fact, I do like this one right here. So let me click on there. Yeah, it looks like this one's free also. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so here we are. We are now in the design and editor in Canva, and we haven't spent $1. So what we can do here is, the cool thing about making your own business cards in Canva is it's like setting up a Facebook page. It's really quite easy. When you hover over the business card, you're going to see this kind of purple box, and that means that you can edit that feature. So for example, right here, I'm not a social media manager. So I'll just hover over and I see this purple box and just click into it. And I'm going to triple click on the words, and then we're just going to type in what we want to say. So we'll go YouTube marketing. All right. So then we can go ahead and change here. My name is Olivia. So I'll go ahead and change that to, let's say, make money. And then we'll do Wilson. We'll change that to my name, Anthony. Okay, that looks good. Now the color scheme definitely looks pretty nice, but it doesn't really match my brand. So I'll go ahead and just click on there. And then here on the top, you can see the colors. So the text color is in pink. So we'll just click on that, and then we'll just kind of play around with it until we find a color that matches our brand. So I kind of like that turquoise. And then maybe my name, I'll do something else instead of this kind of yellow. So I'll click up here, and maybe we'll do a gray. No, I don't really like that. Maybe a green. Green looks pretty good. And then this lightning strike right here, let me click on there, and you can see there's two different colors associated with it. So maybe we'll do the same thing they did. We'll do a turquoise, and then we'll change that one to a green. Okay, yeah, different green. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now, maybe you want your picture on your business card that you're creating. You can go over here on Element, and then what I'll normally do is, instead of just dragging a picture, and it's going to be kind of a square picture, I'll scroll down until I see this thing called frames right here, and then you can go ahead and choose a nice design. So basically your picture would be inside of this design. So let's see here. Okay, so they have a lot of different frames. For some reason, I kind of like this blob one. So all you do is just grab it and then just drop it in the general area that you want it to show up. So maybe you want to appear on the top left, and then you can see that blob, and then we can resize it so it's not covering up there, right? And even if it is covering, you can just click on it and then right click and then go down here to layer, and you move that layer backwards. So send backwards, right? That way it's not covering up the words. Now to drag a picture in, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on upload, and you're going to see all the pictures that you have inside of your Canva. You can see I have these two pictures right here. Now, if you want to use a different picture, you can click upload files and upload it directly from your computer into your Canva. And that way it's stored right here, like these two pictures. And the weird thing about Canva is you can't really click on here and then swap out the image. So what you need to do is just grab the image that you want to use and just drag it right over to where you want it to be. So you can see if we drag over the blob, it resizes immediately, and we just let go and it puts the image right in there. So that looks pretty good. I actually don't like the image up here on the left. So I'll go ahead and maybe drag it down here, and it's covering up the word still. So let me shrink it down. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. And I would suggest that you go ahead and just click on the elements and then see if there's anything else that you want to go ahead and add in there. So, maybe if you want like a dollar sign or something like that, you can click here on search elements, and you can type in dollar, and it's going to show you all of the elements that would be related to a dollar. Now you can see this one has a pro, so you would have to upgrade to be able to use that one. But there's other ones that are free that are similar. So like this one right here. Obviously this one's much cooler, but you just use what you can use. And same thing, you just drag it over and then you can always just resize it. And if you messed it up, you can go ahead and delete it. Or if you want to angle it, you can click on this and just kind of move it around. So maybe we want the $ up there on the corner. Okay, so that's the front of the business card that you designed. And then if you click down here on the bottom, number 2, this is the back of the business card. So let me go ahead and close this out. So here you would just go ahead and basically do the same thing. You can easily just click in here and edit this to money online. All right. And then you can add your phone number if you want, or if you're running an online business, maybe you don't want your phone number. So you can go ahead and delete that and delete that. And then maybe we can move this up a little further. And same thing, you can still add images to the back if you want. Now, one thing I want to let you know, if you're making your own business cards like I'm doing right now in Canva for free, you will have to have it printed out. So you can have Canva printed out, but there's a cost associated with that. Sometimes maybe you want to use your local printer because then you can get your business cards back. You don't have to wait for things to be shipped around, but that's really up to you. So when you're designing it and you're using all of these different colors, just make sure that you check with the pricing with your local printer to see what the cost is going to be if you have a lot of different colors. Because if it's going to be quite a bit more expensive, maybe you want to go ahead and change these colors into something neutral, or maybe only use 2 colors. You kind of get the idea. So once you have your business card ready, next what I'll do is I'll go ahead and rename it right here on the top. So we'll do make business cards online, Anthony. Okay. And then we're ready to go ahead and download it. So you want to click on share here on the top right. Once you do that, you want to click on download here on the bottom left. Okay, now this is a question you want to have for your printer. You want to ask them what type of file they want to be able to print out your business cards. Do they want PNG, JPG, maybe a PDF? So I'll just leave it at a PNG. And then you just want to click on download. All right, now it's downloading to my computer. Okay, now it downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, guys, so here is my business card that we created online for free in my free Canva account. So you can see it's 2 different PNGs. So we got the front, that's the front of the business card. And then here is the back. So all we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and send that over to our printer and then have them print that out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make your business card for free online using Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.